Hi guys everyone, you are watching the Roman Clay channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make a prototype statue from the game Poppy Playtime 3. But first, I'm going to finish the figure of the nightmarish catnap. I didn't make an amulet for him in the last video. I'll start by making a stand for the prototype statue. For modelling, I use clay for modelling or plasticine. The frame of the figure will be made of copper wire. During the passage of the game Poppy Playtime 3, we can see Catnap, who worships the statue of the prototype. The statue itself is made of a metal frame on which Playtime Corporation's monster toys are hung. The prototype, otherwise known as Experiment 106 or the Claw, is the overarching antagonist of Poppy Playtime, debuting in Chapter 1, A Tight Squeeze. He was one of the first successful experiment founded by Playtime Co in an attempt to create the ideal experiment for the Bigger Bodies initiative. It is said that the prototype was responsible for the Hour of Joy, an event which took place in the Playtime Co factory, which resulted in countless deaths and the company subjected to abandon all their works while their factory was overran by savage toys, all which were influenced by the prototype's high authority and unintended capabilities. Throughout each chapter, the prototype makes many cameo appearances, primarily during the ending segments of them. In Chapter 1, we were told that the Hour of Joy must be the doing of him. In Chapter 2, the prototype drags Mommy Longleg's lifeless body. Finally, the prototype both makes an appearance during Catnap's hallucination sequence and after the Catnap boss fight. The prototype shrouds his body through shadows and dark shafts. However, throughout all his appearances, only his arm is found. His hands resembling slender silver pins, that which can depict a concerning array of movements. Although his fingers seem fragile due to its appearance, they can effortlessly slice through flesh with unnerving smoothness. His lower arm is adorned with red wires and metallic components. His arm also houses a human bone. In a conversation with Harley Sawyer during log 24459, the prototype's voice is heard for the first time, as he mockingly mimics the voices of various employees like Stella Graber. He engages in a monologue about his motivations, questioning Harley Sawyer's thoughts on the effects of the Bigger Bodies initiative and the treatment of experiments. After Sawyer comments on learning something new about the prototype at each meeting, the prototype sarcastically thanks Harley and repeats the same thing back while imitating his voice. After Sawyer comments on learning something new about the prototype at each meeting, the prototype sarcastically thanks Harley and repeats the same thing back while imitating his voice. The most notable example is Huggy Wuggy, whom the prototype ordered to flee the Playtime Co factory. As soon as Huggy Wuggy ran too far out, he began simply roaming the woods and only attacking employees after being aggravated. Here is a prototype statue from the game Poppy Playtime 3 that I made. Thank you so much for watching, liking and commenting.